Your exercise has been started.
One of the reasons it's coming up here soon, because it's so new, we haven't really used it officially for something yet. Next weekend is the first class that we're teaching on radar navigation. So the whole setup, and there's a classroom next door that has 8 workstations that people can sit down and work together in pairs to navigate. So class and education and training is a big piece of it for us, but a big piece of it also from some of the people who granted money for this was as a emergency backup for Seattle BTS if things go south there. We also have the ability to do oil spill modeling, so in the event that there is a big oil spill ever, we can model and track where that oil is going to go so they can put the resources in the right places.
I'm assisting with the bridge simulator at the Maritime Center up in the pilot house, and what we're doing today is a practice session where Bill White is simulating being a mate on watch of a merchant vessel. Shannon White is doing the job of the helmsman, and incidentally these two have sailed together but in reverse positions, where Shannon was the third mate on the USNS Charlton back in 2003, and Bill was her helmsman. So times change. The job's still the same. And what they're simulating right now is a tugboat coming into Killisset Harbor, which we can see from here. So that's why we picked that area. A nice long turn, a good chance to do some steering.
Well, we're here working on the simulator, simulating a merchant bridge. I was in the capacity of an able-bodied seaman as the helmsman up on the bridge, and we were working our way through a channel as a tugboat and getting the experience of the different conditions of the sea state and navigating a narrow channel. I've worked, I've probably been to like 3 different simulators around the U.S., and this is kind of a mini, but it's really great to have something that this state of quality with all the different inputs for it to give mariners around here or anyone experience of what it's like to be on a ship. And yeah, it's kind of fun to be able to work all together again and have the experience and work on, you know, with all this great equipment and electronic features and everything, a chance to jump back into it again, which is a really great refresher for somebody to go, you know, back out to sea. If I had ever ventured back out again, this was something that would be a complete great tool for that, for anyone learning what to do, because it's great to make mistakes on this, but in real life it gets a little more expensive.
And real life is right outside an Admiralty Inlet entering Port Townsend Bay. Jeff Chu reporting from the Northwest Maritime Center Pilot House in Port Townsend.